Miele White Pearl XXL, a vacuum cleaner with dust bag.
The vacuum cleaner has a detachable hose.
The HEPA filter captures the very small microparticles found in the vacuum cleaner, ensuring that the particles are not blown back into the room when vacuuming. In addition to capturing microparticles, this filter contains activated carbon, which neutralizes bad odors from the vacuum cleaner. A HEPA filter with activated carbon is very useful in homes with pets, smoking, or where a lot of organic dirt is vacuumed. It's recommended to replace the HEPA filter approximately every 12 months for optimal performance.
The high-quality microfiber vacuum cleaner bag catches all small dust particles and is perfect for allergy sufferers.
3 extra nozzles are stored under the lid.
The rotating wheels help you move through tight spaces in your home. Pressing this button automatically rewinds the cable.